Hi, welcome to 21 Theodore Street, Stafford. So we enter the property into the living area with ceiling fan and double entry in through to the kitchen area. So in here we've got a nice recently refurbished kitchen with timber bench tops, plenty of under bench storage space, some upper cupboard storage space as well, and an electric stove and oven. Through into the dining area, there's plenty of pantry space as well. A really nice large pantry storage area. Okay, and through to bedroom number 1. Ceiling fans and some bedroom storage, wardrobe storage, carpeted. Okay, through to the bathroom. We've got an original bathroom with a bath and shower over bath, under sink storage and shaving cabinet. And through to the main bedroom, again with ceiling fan, carpeted, and some fantastic storage space with wire shelving throughout. So driveway down the side of the house. Through here we've got the laundry with a triple original concrete sink and space for your washer and dryer. And through we've got a pretty massive backyard with an undercover shed area for car parking. And that's 21 Theodore Street, Stafford. So if you'd like to schedule a private inspection or if you'd like to obtain a contract for this property, please contact LJ Hooker Stafford.